Hello, and welcome to neXt Era Technologies Metaverse training program. Metaverse is a rapidly growing market, and businesses are taking notice of its potential. The metaverse concept can create entirely new ways of engaging with customers, creating opportunities for businesses to differentiate themselves from competitors. The possibilities for commerce, social interaction, and entertainment in the metaverse are endless. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the concept of metaverse, its future and potential. You'll learn about the layers and key technologies that contribute to metaverse, which are virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, mixed reality, MR, and extended reality, XR. You'll also discover how metaverse is disrupting industries and how NFTs unlock its potential. Furthermore, you'll explore the investment opportunities in metaverse and gain insights into the major challenges it faces. Through real-life case studies, you'll gain practical knowledge and understanding of metaverse. So, get ready to embark on an exciting journey of discovery and exploration. Our metaverse training is divided into sessions, and each session consists of several sections, each delving deeper into the subject. Here's an expanded list of subtopics for each of the sections listed. Session 1: Understanding the concept of metaverse. We will start by gaining a clear understanding of what metaverse is and why it matters. We'll also explore the stages of metaverse, from the early days of 2D Internet to the immersive 3D experiences of metaverse. We'll use real-life examples, such as Walmart's use of metaverse technology, to explain the concept in a way that is easy to understand. Additionally, we will dive into the crucial topic of privacy and security in metaverse, as it is important to ensure that digital experiences are safe and secure. By the end of this section, you will have a solid understanding of the concept of metaverse, its importance, and the security and privacy considerations involved. Session 2: Market for metaverse and future of metaverse. We'll be looking at what metaverse means for businesses, key statistics, market size, and growth drivers. Metaverse is a rapidly growing market, and businesses are taking notice of its potential. The metaverse concept can create entirely new ways of engaging with customers, creating opportunities for businesses to differentiate themselves from competitors. The possibilities for commerce, social interaction, and entertainment in the metaverse are endless. Session 3: Layers of Metaverse. This session is about the different layers of metaverse. Metaverse is a complex concept that consists of different layers that work together to create a seamless experience. Understanding these layers is crucial in comprehending how the metaverse works. Here are the layers of metaverse. Experience. This layer is all about the immersive experience of the metaverse. It involves virtual reality, augmented reality, and other technologies that make the metaverse feel real. Discovery. This layer is where users find and access content within the metaverse. It includes search engines, social media platforms, and other discovery tools. Creator economy. This layer represents the creators and developers who build and contribute to the metaverse. It includes content creators, game developers, and software engineers. Spatial computing. This layer involves the technology that enables spatial computing within the metaverse. It includes sensors, cameras, and other hardware that allow users to interact with the virtual environment. Decentralization. This layer involves the use of blockchain technology to decentralize ownership and control within the metaverse. It enables a more democratic and open metaverse ecosystem. Human interface. This layer involves the use of natural language processing, haptic feedback, and other technologies to make human interaction with the metaverse more natural and intuitive. Infrastructure. This layer involves the physical infrastructure that supports the metaverse. It includes data centers, servers, and other computing hardware that enable the metaverse to function. Session 4 of our metaverse training, where we will be exploring the technologies that make up the metaverse. As we dive into this session, we will be discussing the different technologies that are driving the metaverse forward, including AR, VR, MR, XR, blockchain, haptic technology, neurotech, and smart glasses. We'll explore how these technologies work, how they are integrated into the metaverse, and their potential impact on different industries. Additionally, we will discuss the future of these technologies in relation to the metaverse, and how they can be utilized to create new and exciting experiences. By the end of this session, you'll have a thorough understanding of the technologies driving the metaverse and how they can be leveraged to build immersive experiences for your customers. Session 5: Metaverse as Disruptor of Industries. This training session is all about how metaverse is disrupting industries. We will explore how metaverse is transforming various sectors, including social media, gaming, fashion, marketing, architecture, virtual shows and concerts, art galleries and museums, retail/commerce, and workspaces. We will discuss the implications of metaverse for these industries and how businesses can leverage this new technology to improve their operations, engage with customers, and achieve success in the digital age. Get ready to learn about the exciting potential of metaverse to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with each other. Session 6: Investing in Metaverse. In this session, we'll explore the investment opportunities in the metaverse. The metaverse is rapidly growing, and investors are paying close attention to its potential for high returns. We'll discuss some of the key areas where investments are being made and where you can potentially invest. We'll also introduce you to the concept of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and how they're unlocking the potential of the metaverse. We'll explain the value of metaverse land and how it can be bought, sold, and used for a variety of purposes. Additionally, we'll discuss metaverse tokens and their potential for investment. These tokens can provide access to exclusive content, experiences, and other valuable assets within the metaverse. Finally, we'll talk about metaverse infrastructure and its importance for the future of the metaverse. Investing in metaverse infrastructure can provide long-term returns and help shape the future of this exciting new technology. Session 7: Challenges to Metaverse. In this session, we'll discuss how metaverse has the potential to revolutionize various industries and create new investment opportunities. However, there are significant challenges to overcome. Some of the main challenges include the need for seamless interoperability across different platforms, addressing privacy and security concerns, creating accessible and inclusive experiences, and establishing industry standards. Additionally, investing in metaverse technologies and assets carries risks, such as price volatility and regulatory uncertainty. As with any investment, it is essential to have a clear strategy and understand the potential risks and rewards. Session 8: Case Studies. In this session, we will take a deep dive into real-life examples of metaverse implementation and adoption. We will examine some of the successful metaverse case studies and the lessons learned from them. Through these case studies, you will gain a better understanding of how metaverse is already being utilized by various industries, and how it can be leveraged in the future. You will also learn about some of the challenges faced by organizations that have implemented metaverse, and how they overcame them. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of the potential of metaverse and the best practices to consider when implementing metaverse in your organization. What are you waiting for? Step into the metaverse with our training program, and be at the forefront of the next era of computing and advance your career. For further details about our training programs, feel free to contact us using our official contact number and email address.